From the Weather Tracker TV Storm Studios, this is your weekend weather. Here's weather analyst Joshua Wisel.
All right, folks, welcome to this Saturday weather edition on Weather Tracker TV. I'm Joshua Wisel here taking a look at the forecast for today. And we're starting off with the hourly forecast. And as you can see, unlike yesterday where we had all those clouds, all that drizzle, and then the chance for storms in the afternoon, this is going to be a much better day. Take a look. Mostly sunny throughout the day. We're starting off in the lower 60s, and then by this afternoon, we'll be in the upper 60s. Some areas might hit the lower 70s, but overall, it's going to be a pleasant day across North Texas. Now, this morning, if it felt chilly across the region, it's because it was chilly. We were sitting right around 50 at DFW, and then further to the west, some areas were in the lower 40s, so it was chilly across the region. Taking a closer look at DFW, upper 40s, lower 50s across the Metroplex to start off the day. So it was a pretty chilly morning. We're going to start warming up, like I said, into those upper 60s, lower 70s for your highs today. Overall rainfall totals over the last 24 hours, as you can see across the Metroplex, some areas were hitting right around an inch, some were hitting a half an inch. Further to the west, there's not a whole lot plotted there, but there was a lot of rainfall from rain that was reoccurring over multiple areas with a couple rounds of storms. So there was much more rainfall out there. And then, of course, to the east of our coverage area there as well. Now, taking a look at the radar across the area, like we said, there's not a whole lot going on today, but take a look to the east. That system that moved through our area has pushed off to the east, and then you could see the occluded front that's going to our north, bringing this bands of rain all the way into the northern plains, even some snow near the Denver area. So that's where that system's going. And of course, this is a pretty powerful system, not a whole lot going on behind it. And then if you take a look to the west, there's not a whole lot going on there either. So we have a little bit of a break for now, but then by midweek of next week, there could be some more showers and storms across the area. We're keeping a close eye on that forecast, but like we said, powerful system there. It's going to continue to push off to the north and east. Then we get this break, and then right around midweek, there's another system that moves through. Now, it's questionable whether we get any sort of rain or storms with it. There is some low chances right now. We're keeping a close eye on it, but then as that pushes out, there's another chance for some showers and storms by next weekend that will bring with the next front that you see further to the west. So again, low chances by midweek. We'll show you that 12-day forecast coming up here in just a second. But right now, the projected rainfall totals in the next couple of days, really not a whole lot. We're talking about 1/4 of an inch in the Metroplex, a lot more rain further to the east and the Gulf Coast areas in Louisiana, even into portions of Alabama, Mississippi, Arkansas, but really not a whole lot of rain over the next couple of days here in North Texas. Here's a look at that Futurecast radar. And like we said, as that system pushes off to the east, it's going to be quiet here for the next 72 hours or so. Maybe a couple of elevated clouds across the area, but no sort of showers or storms. It's going to be a rather pleasant weekend. For your 14-day precipitation outlook, there is the potential for some slightly above average across Texas and North Texas, but the greatest rainfall for above average precipitation is going to be for the central and northern plains, as you can see there with the 14-day outlook. Also to mention, we have above average temperatures on the horizon with the climate outlook. And really, this includes a large portion of the central and eastern United States, including North Texas. So there is the potential that this could be a warm stretch coming up for the next 6 to 14 days. Overall, Saturday's forecast across the area, it's going to be a beautiful day. Like I said, not a whole lot going on, no rain, no storms. Highs are going to be in the lower 70s to upper 60s. And then as we take a look at the evening planner, beautiful evening across North Texas. If you have any sort of plans, going out to dinner, it's going to be beautiful, mostly sunny sky, or mostly clear sky, excuse me. Overnight tonight, we're going to be in the mid to lower 50s for the Metroplex. To the west, it's going to be the mid to upper 40s. So it's going to be chillier further to the west. In the Metroplex, it's going to be a little bit warmer. And then for your Sunday forecast, it's going to be another beautiful day. Mid to upper 70s for the Metroplex, upper 60s to lower 70s further to the west. For the 5-day planner, take a look at this. Like I said, some low rain chances for midweek. It's right around 10%. Now, we're going to be keeping a close eye on this. Stay tuned for Williams' forecast coming up on Monday with an updated look at this. But right now, not a whole lot going on. But as we make our way into next weekend, that's a different question because we have the first system moving through, then we have a second one. Showers and storms could be possible with that upcoming weekend forecast. More forecasts coming up in the loop. Stay tuned here with Weather Tracker TV.